Hey everybody, what's up? It's James here, Study Spanish with James here. Welcome to day 2 of the Study Spanish with James here crash course program. I'd like for you guys to pay very close attention. We're going to go over days of the week, días de la semana. So pay attention as we go over information in this video. Thank you. Let's begin. The purpose. This second day course is designed to educate the learner more basics on the beginner level Spanish. You will learn in this presentation the days of the week in Spanish. You will learn how to pronounce them and tell the difference in writing them too. Learning the days of the week in Spanish is going to help you in the communication process. Your knowledge of Spanish will grow during time, and the days of the week contribute to that as well. Days of the week. In Spanish, we say días de la semana, that translate to the days of the week. Día means day. Días means days, which is the plural form. De means of. La means the. Semana means week. Okay, now you put them together and you get días de la semana, or días de la semana altogether. Días de la semana. Now begin to discuss them and help you to pronounce them well. Learn how to say them and also use them to increase your Spanish knowledge. Say them out loud and remember them as if you were saying them in English. This is a great way to practice them and to keep you involved in their existence. Monday, lunes, lunes, lunes is the first day of the week in Spanish. Primer día de la semana. Primer día de la semana. Tuesday, martes, martes, martes. The second day of the week in Spanish. Segundo día de la semana. Segundo día de la semana. Wednesday, miércoles, 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 the third day of the week in Spanish. Tercer día de la semana. Tercero día de la semana. Thursday, jueves, 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 the fourth day of the week in Spanish. Cuarto día de la semana. Cuarto día de la semana. Friday, viernes, 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 the fifth day of the week in Spanish. Quinto día de la semana. Quinto día de la semana. Saturday, sábado, 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 the sixth day of the week in Spanish. Sexto día de la semana. Sexto día de la semana. Sunday, domingo, 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 the seventh day of the week in Spanish. Séptimo día de la semana. Séptimo día de la semana. Why is this helpful? This is important because as you learn to speak Spanish, you will be practicing words and phrases to form sentences. Learning the days of the week in Spanish will help you to create conversations and speak about events that happen during certain times. Using the days of the week allows you to expand your communication skills and to be able to have knowledge of what's going on. Also, being knowledgeable in Spanish will take you to more situations where you can practice your grammar and comprehension skills. These are my sources. And I want to thank you guys very much for taking the time to go over information in day two of the Spanish crash course, which is days of the week, los días de la semana. And I'm very confident, you guys, that by practicing information from this slide, it's going to help you to increase more your knowledge of Spanish and to go out and practice it when forming conversations and speaking with people. And also when people are speaking in Spanish, using days of the week, you have an idea exactly what day of the week they're talking about and exactly what's going on. And your head will be full with more information. I thank you once again, and I look forward to seeing you in day three of the Spanish crash course. Keep up the hard work and stay very consistent on your Spanish practice. See you soon. Bye.